guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you a tutorial how I do my wavy hair crimp look. So this is the product that I bought. It's super cheap. It's the bedhead one. I'll go ahead and list the product information down below. It was only, like, with tax and everything, 26 bucks at Walmart, and I absolutely love it. One thing I do love about this hairstyle is that it lasts for 3 to 4 days. So if you're going like on a vacation, it's the perfect hairstyle. And section off my hair. So you want to go ahead and section at least an inch, and you just want to clamp down. And when you clamp down, just hold it on there for a couple of seconds. I'll use this like to count to 5, and then look how cute it looks. Okay, let me take a step back. Oh, I love it. 2 ridges at the top, and there's one at the bottom. So I always put the one on the bottom. It never falls. I have super thin hair, and I feel like with this hairstyle, it just lasts all day long. I went on Amazon, and it's just gonna take too long to buy. I think it was gonna take like a whole month, and I saw this hairstyle and I was like, oh my god, I need to do this by this evening. So I went on Google and I saw that Walmart carries these. So that's exactly where I got mine. When I posted this hairstyle, I got a lot of questions. How do I get my hair? Did I put braids in it? Did I sleep in braids overnight? No, I didn't. This is how I achieve this look. Look at how much volume that gives me. Just look. Now compared to this side. Yeah, I know. Does wonders, huh? Right where the hump ends, like, see how it's right here? You go over and down, and then just hold. And then you do it again. See? Over the hump and then down. And then hold. Over the hump and then down. It's so pretty. Do you see how much volume it gives me, guys? Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, and this is my final hair look with my deep wave crimped hair look. It's super easy. It's only for 26 bucks at Walmart. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!